Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best lightweight windbreaker jacket you can get your hands on right now. The XiaoYouYu Men's Lightweight Windbreaker Jacket. Let's get right into it. This jacket is made with a windproof, waterproof polyester shell that resists light rain and water splashes effortlessly. It's designed for those transitional weather days, think early fall, mild spring, or when you just need an extra layer during a windy hike. It's also a solid option for UV protection if you're spending time in the sun. One of the standout features is its weight, or lack thereof. This jacket is incredibly lightweight and easy to pack, making it a go-to travel companion. Whether you're stuffing it in a backpack or glove compartment, it folds down small and springs back into form when you need it. Now let's talk about the fit and style. The jacket features a casual hooded design with long sleeves, making it suitable for daily wear or outdoor activities. It's sporty, but not overly rugged, stylish enough to wear around town but functional enough for trail use. With sizes ranging from small to 3x large, there's a good range of fit options, and it comes in a versatile gray color that works with almost anything in your wardrobe. One of the most useful aspects of this jacket is its adaptability. Whether you're running errands, going for a run, hiking through unpredictable terrain, or caught in an unexpected drizzle on your commute, this jacket has you covered, literally. And speaking of coverage, the hood offers solid protection without being bulky or awkward. Care-wise, it's simple. Hand wash only. That's a small trade-off for the kind of water and wind resistance it gives you. You're getting impressive value here without compromising on essentials like water resistance and comfort. And for anyone asking about availability, yes, it ships to India and a range of other countries. That makes it even more appealing if you're looking for a reliable jacket from a global marketplace. So, if you're in the market for a lightweight, functional, and stylish jacket that won't break the bank, the XiaoYouYu Men's Windbreaker should definitely be on your radar. It's our pick for the best lightweight windbreaker jacket out there right now. That's it for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know what product you want us to critique next. This is Product Critique. We test it so you don't have to. See you in the next one.